The fallout was quick. The director of the Secret Service, Kimberly Cheadle, resigned today following demands from lawmakers to step down. This after the recent assassination attempt on former President Donald Trump, the Republican presidential nominee. Capitol Hill correspondent Eric Rosales joins us now with the latest. Eric.
Good evening, Tracy. The heat was on the Secret Service director to leave her post after she failed to provide lawmakers with answers at a congressional hearing yesterday. There were calls from both sides for her to step down. Eventually, Kimberly Cheadle turned in her resignation today.
I'm happy to see that she has heeded the call of both Republicans and Democrats. Now we have to pick up the pieces. We have to rebuild the American people's faith and trust in the Secret Service as an agency.
Oversight Committee Chair James Comer, who led Monday's hearing with Director Cheadle, released a statement that said in part, quote, "The Oversight Committee's hearing resulted in Director Cheadle's resignation. There will be more accountability to come. We need a full review of how these security failures happen so that we can prevent them going forward." Democrats agree.
Well, I'm glad she did. I mean, it's just not tenable for her to continue in that role because she's lost the confidence of too many Americans. And I hope that President Biden will appoint someone with an impeccable background who's not political, who can restore confidence in that agency.
Moving forward, Speaker Johnson announced he is setting up a 13-member bipartisan commission to investigate the security failures at the Trump rally.
They'll have three primary responsibilities. We have to get the answers, of course, about what happened. We need to make sure that accountability is ensured to the American people, and then we need to prevent anything like this from ever happening again.
Meanwhile, at a Homeland Security hearing today with Pennsylvania law enforcement, officers said the Secret Service gave them minimal security duties like traffic control for the rally, and add they were aware of the suspect Thomas Matthew Crooks prior to former President Trump taking the stage.
How did they relay it to Secret Service?
I believe that they verbally turned and said in the command post, this is information that I just received. And then in follow up to that, as directed from the interview that I was briefed on, that was forwarded by text as requested by the Secret Service.
Pennsylvania authorities add the communication between agencies could have been better, and no drones by law enforcement were ever used to secure the area. Homeland Security Secretary Alejandro Mayorkas has already named former Deputy Director Ronald Rowe Jr., a 24-year veteran of the Secret Service, as the new acting director. At the Capitol, Eric Rosales, EWTN News 9.